Well, good day, everyone. Yeah. Everybody doing all right? It's another slow day around here. I keep saying that because that's just exactly what it's been. Rain. It's rained most of the day. According to the weather map, there's a slight chance of a few more showers for the next few hours. And then that should be the end of it. I don't know. But it is muddy. It's nasty out. And like I said, it's rained. It's rained all morning, all day today. And well, it looks like we're getting ready to come to an end of it if the weatherman is right. We've got several days of no rain come after today. But you know, we haven't had no real sunshine in about 5 days. Yeah. And it's gloomy out again today. You know, it's probably gonna get foggy again tonight. And let me show you across the ridge and everything right now. Rather foggy back up over there. Yeah, sitting in off the ridge here now. Down here. It's creeping in towards the barn. Yeah, it's just foggy, wet. The only thing happy is the ducks. They seem to say, well, you know, if this is it, this is heaven to them. They're just tickled to death down there. Meanwhile, we're all waterlogged. Oh, we need to get some duck feathers and put on our backs. Well, I've got to make a trip to the dollar store since it has quit raining. And it's Saturday. So that's what happens every Saturday with me, is I make a trip to the dollar store. So I'm going to go do that. But I wanted to jump on and say hello and hope everybody's having a great day. We're not having a bad day. We're just having a wet one. But I would say we're getting used to it. It's just become a habit around here. They've had to load out some hay and stuff, and the field out here, it's just tore the field up out there. They have to take the tractor and level it back off, and when it dries up. But it's messy. That's all I can say. Y'all have a good day. And I don't know for sure, but the way my daughter talks, she's gonna go live on her YouTube channel tonight. And she's got a lot to talk about. She's excited about where they went today and what they did. I'm not going to tell you. If you want to know if she goes live, you know, you go over there and you'll find out all about it. I was going to go, but it was raining when I got up early this morning, and it kept on raining, and I looked at the weather thing and it showed rain for hours, and I didn't want to get caught out in it. It was a long drive too, to be trying to drive with it raining and getting stuck somewhere. Because as you know, I can't drive in the rain. I can't run my wipers and drive. makes me dizzy headed. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna ease down I'm gonna back on up here. And ease down the driveway and do my normal routine. I'll get the mail and then go on to the dollar store. Y'all have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and that alone is worth smiling about and being happy. Yeah. All right. We'll talk to you later. Here, let me give you some scenery on my way out. Back up over the driveway again. Water's still flowing.